Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 14.11% since we initially recommended purchasing Meta 14 days ago. This results in an average return of about 1.01% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the next trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's future direction, as it may proceed in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant rising trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent ahead. Should there be any pullback, support will be found at the recent breakout level of $687.68, presenting a potential second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, the next possible peak for the trend is $746.11, which may act as a resistance level that could be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.89% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 3.56% to 13.17%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 36.35% over the next year, with potential returns between 5.22% and 23.82%. This translates to a projected price range of $740.97 to $871.93 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta features the headline: Meta stock price ended at $704.19 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.96%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, the Meta stock price increased by 0.96%, rising from $697.46 to $704.19. Remarkably, it has now gained for 10 consecutive days. Such sustained gains are uncommon, and it is reasonable to anticipate some declines in the near future. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.32%, with a low of $691.65 and a high of $707.71. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in each instance, amounting to a total rise of 14.23% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 14 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.64 billion. Falling volume alongside rising prices could indicate a divergence, serving as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $710.79, while the lowest was $414.50. Currently, the price is 0.93% or $6.60 below the 52-week high of $710.79, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms has been experiencing significant market activity, driven by optimism surrounding artificial intelligence and its latest earnings report. On the 4th of February, 2025, the stock hit record highs as investors reacted positively to the potential for AI-fueled growth, positioning Meta as a contender in the burgeoning AI sector. Analyst sentiments are leaning towards a buy recommendation, suggesting that Meta could be an attractive option for momentum investors. However, caution may arise from comments made by Smead Capital's CEO, Cole Smead, who described the stock as carrying high risks for value investors. This perspective could lead to volatility as value investors reassess their positions amid these mixed signals. Furthermore, news regarding DeepSeek's AI developments indicates that Meta's chief technology officer had anticipated such advancements, suggesting the company is strategically aligned in the AI space. In the short term, the stock's upward momentum might continue as investor confidence builds around recent performance metrics and emerging technologies. However, if broader market uncertainties, such as tariff concerns or shifts in investor sentiment towards value investments, escalate, Meta could face pressures that might affect its stock price. Over the long term, Meta's ability to capitalize on its AI initiatives will be essential in maintaining its competitive edge and sustaining growth. As this narrative unfolds, investors will be closely monitoring price levels and market reactions to evolving economic conditions. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, Benchmark rated Meta as buy and recommended an upgrade. Also, on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, Bernstein provided Meta with an outperform rating while maintaining a hold action. Additionally, Barclays assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action on that date. Finally, Pivotal Research rated Meta as buy while also recommending a hold action on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels $684.08 and $625.57. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 20.32%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 29 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 43 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 126 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 119 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $687. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $16.06 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.32%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts are forecasting consensus estimates at $5.47. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $687. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 3,296 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power indicates a negative trend with a ratio of negative 49.55. In total, insiders purchased 59,457 shares and sold 177,868 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $685.88, reflecting a decrease of 2.6%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 95, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 28 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive signals. However, these do not seem sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of February, we anticipate that Meta will open lower by $3.01, beginning at a price of $701.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.